Hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new here. My name is Britt, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Spring Charm box from Daily Charm. I'm gonna go ahead and open this box up. And the theme this month, of course, is spring. So we have lots of spring theming here, lots of things that you can do with the items that are in the box. Looks like there's some gems and bows, butterflies, different charms. Looks like maybe a cat eye, pearls, things like that. And then 15% off your next order if you use code TEAPARTY. And then here is everything in the box if you want to pause and look through everything here. I'm going to just take a quick look through. Looks like we get a hair tie, some nail wipes as bonus items. All kinds of cute things. Okay. All right, so let's get into this little spring box. All these cute spring colors. I love this. Get all these little crinkles out of the way. Looks like the first thing you get is a really cute little hair tie. Seems pretty stretchy. If you have thicker hair, this might be a little tight on you, but she's cute. Okay, first thing I'm seeing are these really cute pastel gems. They look like they are maybe a medium, small, medium, and large. It looks like it. Yeah, there are some tiny ones in there. So small, medium, and large in like a peachy pink, minty green, purple, and yellow. Those are really pretty. They look like they have a little bit of a different color flip on them too, a little bit of a golden flip. Cute. And then there's always stickers in the box. So we have 3 sets of stickers. Yes, 3 sets of stickers. My goodness. This first one is lots of bows and flowers. These 2 little cute cats. These little cats remind me of like Aristocats. Cute. And then you have some flowers. These are 3D textured. Yeah, slightly raised. And then the last set. Oh, look how cute these are. So this is very like tea party. Feels very Bridgerton to me. So we've got some flowers, some tea sets, cupcakes, more flowers, all the little macarons or macaroons, however you pronounce that, and the little filigrees. Oh, these are so cute. I love these. Adorable. And then you always get a bunch of like little itty bitty charms. So it looks like you get 2 really nice metal charms. Almost looks like a bouquet of flowers, but I don't think it's intended to be one. It's just really pretty. And that's about, I would say, a decent size, like compared to my thumbnail. And then you get some tiny little pastel bows. These are really cute. Different styles too. There's a thinner one and then like this thicker bow. And then it looks like there's also a bow tie shape. And you get some bigger bows. These are like iridescent. Is that the word? Metallic iridescent, maybe? Those are cute. Oh my goodness. Tiny little forks and spoons and butter knives. Are you joking? Oh my goodness. I need to play with these. I need to figure out like a little like cake mani or something. Okay, those are so cute. I'm obsessed. We also have some little metal. Are these considered glitters? They're almost too big to be glitters, but they're not quite charms either. But they're like little metal pieces. Looks like we have some butterflies, some roses in silver and in gold. Those are really pretty. And then you have some little leaves. Different size leaves. I love doing floral placements on manis, so these are really cute with like floral charms, or it looks like there might be some down in here, some like little rose charms, so that's really cute. And then you have a set of, these are like loose pieces, so we have glitter, and then we also have some white pearls and little like gold caviar beads. This screams wedding to me. Like this just looks like it would be the perfect duo for a wedding set. And look at the flash on these glitters. So gorgeous. And we also have, is this a 3D mold? Shut up. It's a 3D mold, a little silicone mold. So hold on, let me get this open with these talons. Come on, come on. Okay, so it looks like we have some different bows, two different sizes of cherries, another little bow, and this bunny. Look at this little 3D bunny. Oh my. I've never played with a silicone mold. I have a couple, but I've never played with them. And this is so precious. I don't know what one. I think I want to do something with the cherries. This bunny needs to happen too, though. Cute. I love that. Okay. And it comes in this cute little case. So you can just stick her back in there and put her away. What else do we have? I think this is the last like nail charm piece. Let's get this out of the package here. So it looks like we have some different roses. These are really pretty. They've got like a metallic sheen on them. These ones are gold and these ones are more like an iridescent, almost duochrome. And then we have some butterflies. There's like yellow and orange, purple and blue. There's some pink and purple. Those are really pretty. I'm loving these flowers. Like these look so vintage, like gilded roses. That's so pretty. Yes. Gorgeous. Look at those. Look at the flip on these. How pretty. Okay. And then they always do some kind of set like this. So these are transfer foils. I'm not going to open these up because they are a disaster to try to get rolled back up. But it looks like we have some different patterns of flowers, different backgrounds. There's even ones with butterflies on it. These are really pretty. This almost looks like a little bit of like a lace background, like crisscross. And these ones look more organic, like leaves and flowers. Really pretty. I like this set. I like the colors that are in this. Okay. And then I think this is one of the other freebies besides or not a freebie, but like a bonus item. These are little lint-free wipes and they're butterfly shaped. How cute. So if you take your nail polish off or wipe your nails off with some alcohol. Really, really cute. I'll get that back in there. And of course I messed that all up, but that's okay. And then the last two items are nail polishes, or gel polishes, I should say. So we have Princess Diaries E08, and this looks like it is a cat eye. Ooh, really nice rosy pink with a gold flip. Let me grab a magnet. I'm going to grab my little bar magnet. Let me scoot this back here. I want to pull this up here. Okay, let's see. You see? Oh, yes. So if you pull all the color away, you have this nice rosy pink, but you can also pull this gold flash to the top. That is beautiful. And very sensitive. Gorgeous. Okay. I love that. That's going to go great with all of these beautiful spring charms and stickers. And then the last item is High Society, and it is another cat eye. Looks like it's a gold cat eye. Oh, Yes. Okay. Let's see how reflective this one is. Oh, okay. I thought it was super gold to begin with, but to see it with the flash, yee, that is stunning. That is liquid gold. Wow. Oh, I'm very happy with both of these polishes. Those are beautiful, and they're going to go great together since this is like a more muted pink and not like a bubblegum pink. So I think those two are going to look really nice together. And that is everything that it was in this month's box. So I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing, and hopefully in the next video I will do a mani with some of these items. Let me know below like what your favorite item was and what you'd like to see a mani with, and I will do a separate video with all of these really cute spring items. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so I can see you around for more videos like this. Bye guys.